Hello guys, welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. I know I've been away for a while and I will share some of those thoughts with you guys on my Thursdays thought-filled videos. However, today I want to tap back into my creative side because I know you guys love the clean with me's and the decorating videos. So that's what these next 3 videos will be. However, I know you guys are still waiting for the bedroom reveal that you've seen me painting. I'll post a video at the end of this video, just in case you won't get to watch that. You can watch that process. However, I want to get a new bed for that room. So once we get that in, then we'll do the full room reveal. Okay, we still just working on a few items for that room. However, I decided to move on to the bathroom, the whole bathroom, and I'm just going to do a revamp of the space, redecorating and revamp, and I'm going to bring you guys along for that. But the first thing I need to do today is to give the bathroom an overall clean. So that's what I will be doing in this video. And then the next video, I will do a haul of the products that I did buy for that bathroom. So you guys can get to see that. And then the following video will be me preparing the bathroom space, decorating the bathroom space, and putting those items inside of that area. Okay guys, I miss you guys out there and I hope that you enjoy this clean with me video. Let's get it. Hey guys, I'm in the bathroom about to clean up in here. I never come in this bathroom. This is the whole bathroom, which everybody else uses. I never come in here, but I'm coming in here today to clean it and give it a revamp. It needs to be clean, and you guys know my tricks to any mildew builds up around there. The Ajax in bleach does the trick all the time. So we're gonna get all of that cleaned up, get over here near the toilet area cleaned up, get this station and everything cleaned up in this video. Look at that mirror. Why that mirror look like that? Oh my god. Anyhow, I'm gonna get it all cleaned up, guys. These are some shower curtains too that I recently purchased, so I'm going to be keeping these. I think they're pretty. I like that. I like the little flowers and I like the little crinkly look. I purchased these curtains from TJ Maxx. I believe they were like $20. And I love the double-sided hooks because you get to hang up the plastic backing on one side and then the other side the curtain. Okay, so let's get to cleaning. Guys, this is a tight bathroom. So I have to do section by section with the recording thing because it's really tight, but just so you guys can see. Why is it like 6 rags up here? I don't know. Hey guys, I'm done with taking everything out of the bathroom. Now I'm going to start the cleaning. As I stated, this bathroom is very tight, so it's hard to position the camera where you can see. So I'm trying my best so you guys can see, okay? Cleaning, I think that I'm gonna go on a hunt or try to find a new shower head for in here. This shower head was here when we purchased the house. I just think it'll be so much better to have a shower head in here, one like I have in my bathroom, that comes down there. One that comes off of the head, you can bring the head, you can change the different settings. One of those in here would be great. The water is letting out, but it's going out slow. Most likely it's from somebody washing their hair and not getting all the hair out. However, I'm gonna pour some Drano down there anyway. So I'm gonna be looking for a new shower head for this as well. I purchased, well, I'm going to show you guys, but I purchased something to go up here. Hopefully it fits. Now that I'm in the space looking at it, I hope it fits. If not, then I'll have to come up with something different. I'm going to move over to the sink area, clean this area, then the toilet will be last, sweep the floors, and mop in here. Also, I want to show you guys, I'll show you that as I move forward. Like I said, this camera thing is hard to do. So I'm going to move over here to the sink area and clean. Okay guys, I'm done cleaning the sink area. However, I noticed that the mirror, the edging of the mirror is starting to peel. This stuff was here when we purchased the house. It came with the vanity, everything was here, lighting and everything. However, I was going to paint this vanity. However, I'm noticing that the I guess they call it laminate, front of the cabinet is beginning to peel unless I can glue that down with something and then paint over it. That's what I will do. However, I do want to change out this mirror here and maybe get a bigger mirror from here to cover this entire area, make it wider. And then I have this light fixture up here as well. I might change that out too. If I get a mirror from here to here, then I would need to get something that I can center here and longer for better lighting in here as well. So those are a few things in here that I need to work on and consider: a lighting, a new mirror, and if I can't just paint this vanity, a new vanity. Well, we'll see about that. Okay. Okay guys, so that's the first part of this revamp, cleaning the bathroom. The next video will be the haul, the stuff that I purchased, and then the next video will be me putting the items inside of the space. As you can see, I started already with the curtains. Okay, so we'll see how everything turns out. Stay tuned for the next video when I do the haul of the stuff that I purchased for the bathroom. Okay guys, see you next time on Behind Closed Doors with your host.